begin our coding journey. Here we would be coding a hell lot of stuffs and of course some code snippets which can be very useful for all of us. So these are our code snippets. I hope you are gonna like it. So let us begin. This is a Jupyter notebook. I hope you all know what is a Jupyter notebook. So this is code snippets. Okay, let us begin. So the very first code which we are going to make is a program to create a countdown timer. Okay, so let us begin it. Why I hope you can like ignore some of the basic mistakes which I am making. Okay, so let us begin. The code goes like this. First of all, as it is a countdown timer, so we need to import a module, and hence the name of the module should be import time. Okay, so we are going to import time module. After that, now we are going to create a function. Now as we are going to create a function, we are going to use def. Okay, def is for defining a function. The name of the function is countdown, and the arguments which it takes is time in seconds. Okay, so now let's move forward. Let's I hope you can just see it. I won't be explaining much as of now. I hope you can just keep on coding with me. It's a new concept, I guess. I hope so. It should be something new. However, you can listen to my not so worthy stuff which I am speaking as of now. So let us do it like this. 0 to d. Okay, what is this? These are the functions which are going to give us the timings. Like 0 to d stands for the double or float function. Like this is the value up to 2 digits. You have to show me the time format. Okay, so it is showing this, and you can just keep on watching it. Like this is when I'm saying 0 to d, it means up to 2 digits it should give the precision. Okay, so it is going to give me precision up to 2 digits. How? Now that you will be knowing when the code would be compiling. Okay, so let us move forward. Let me format it in minutes and seconds. Okay, that's great. Now print time format and equals to slash r. We are going to end it like here, and let us take some time to sleep, say 1 second. 1 second or millisecond, well, you can just understand what it is. It's homework for you. Yeah, so let's move. It should say stop it. Let I hope that's completed. The function is completed. Num equals to integer type input. Okay, and let us set timer in seconds. Oh, so sorry. Just need to just like I have to make it look bit nice also, right? So it's like this, countdown number. Okay, so it is finished. Now let me explain you the code. So the code goes like this. We have imported a module named as time. We have created a function, so hence we have used the def keyword. Countdown is the function name. Arguments which it is taking is time in seconds. You can go for minutes also, however we have moved with seconds. While time in seconds, like this, while time in seconds is this much. Minutes and seconds can be divided into modules of time sec into 60. Okay, so whatever be the time, if it's entered in minutes, then it should be divided by 60, so as it can be turned out. Time format is this, so it means 00 is to 00. Okay, for a better understanding, it means 0000 format, and then we have formatted it. We are going to print it. We are going to sleep for a millisecond or two, minus, and we are keep going to decrease it. What does it means? It simply means that we are decreasing a value from the time which has been given as an input. So I hope you understand this. Let us now run it. We have to just click run and set timer in seconds. For instance, if I put 2 2 1, don't see, it's finished. When the code is being run, it would be showing star in input braces. Okay, if you want to see, you can look in it again. I have been kept 5. See, here it's the stars are still there, 5 4 3 2 1. As I see this top 5, it is not going good, so we are going to keep it look like this. Okay, what does it means? It simply means that we have given some value to it. Now if I run and I put 2, see, that's it. So this is the code snippet to create a countdown timer. Hope you like it. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.